Let's walk through this Amapiano beat. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today I want to show you how to cook up like Kelvin Momo, Amapiano star. Let's get started. Alright guys, we are in our first studio. You know, for Amapiano the tempo is always 112, 111 or 113, not more than 113. Okay, what I did is that I started with this drum loop. Okay, so let's listen to that. Alright, so after that I added this shaker. Let's listen to it alone. Okay, so let's add that one to it. So the next thing I did was I introduced another shaker. You can download this sample packs from the link in the description box. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's listen to this shaker alone. Okay, so let's add the three. Okay, so guys, right after that I developed this chord progression with some melodies on top. Let's listen to it. Alright, so let's add that one, change it to the song mode. Okay, so the next thing I added was this flute. Okay, I added this flute. Let's listen to it alone. Alright, so let's add that one to it. Okay, so guys, the next thing I added was this acoustic nylon that I use citrus. Okay, I use citrus for everything. Okay, I use citrus to make everything in terms of melodies and chord progression. Okay, so this was acoustic nylon from citrus. Let's listen to it alone. Alright guys, so let's add that one, change it to the song mode. Okay, so guys, the next thing I added was this marimba. Okay, this marimba from citrus. Let's listen to it. Okay, so let's add that one to it to them. Okay, so I introduced some drum fill over here. Let's listen to this drum fill alone. Okay, so let's add everything. Alright guys, so right after that I wanted to add some percussions and more elements to give it groove. So I created this pattern 5. Let me introduce everything to you. I added this mellows and sleazy snare. Okay, so this was how it was sounding alone. Then I introduced this snare. Okay, then I brought in this conga. Okay, then I introduced another conga. Okay, I was adding more percussions and layers. You can download this sample pack from the link in the description box. Okay, let's continue. So together, this was how the pattern 5, which I created to add more groove to the drums, was sounding. Alright guys, so let's add that one to the whole beat. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give the video a like, share the video as well. Okay, stay blessed, see you in the next video. Download the sample pack from the link in the description box. Links to my previous videos too also there. Go and watch, some of it may help you. Enjoy the whole beat.